Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be telling you how to make 3D art. The one which is made here is made by me. So let's start. So I'm gonna be using this as a reference and create a very long image of it. That means a very stretched one, because when we look at it from an angle, it always gets compressed and makes it look 3D. Make sure you fill up some nice shadows, because shadows are very important, guys. Don't forget that. You see guys, it looks 3D now, and that's how it looks when it's viewed from up. It's all stretched and it looks 3D when we look at it from an angle.